When I tell people that we travel full time, I get one of two reactions. One is, what is wrong with you? Can't you just be happy where you are? And the other is, oh my gosh, I'm so jealous. Can I be you? And so this video, I am going to explain, why do we travel full time? And the answer is, it's complicated. And yet it's actually so simple. I have had a bit of the wanderlust bug since I was a kid. I got a taste of it when I was young, and then my sister got me completely addicted to RVing. And then Paul and I decided that seeing the world on a sailboat was a great idea, and we even took sailing lessons and we bought a boat. And then that world collapsed. In 2020, after almost 2 years of significant abdominal pain and 5 physicians later, I was diagnosed with a very severe autoimmune disorder called Crohn's disease. I was seen by specialists. I was told that I was going to be on these high-powered biologic medications for the rest of my life. They need to be refrigerated, they need to be injected or infused, and they are very expensive. And there is no cure. And I cried. And I'm not a crier. I still cry today thinking about it. I cried for Paul because all of those plans we had, his retirement was just around the corner. We were getting set, getting ready to go. And at that time, we were dependent on his health insurance, and he was still in his corporate job. And I knew what he would do. He would work another 10 or 15 years just so I could have that health care that I needed. And then a couple of months later, I was diagnosed with an invasive malignant melanoma on my face. And I know melanoma has been in the media a lot lately, and it is no joke. It is the skin cancer that can kill you. And so we made the very difficult decision to sell our boat and watch our travel dreams go down the drain. And I just wanted to curl up and die. I wanted to sit in a corner and quietly fade away. But it turns out I'm not the quietly go away kind of person. So I went through the very long and painful and extraordinary process of having a third of my nose removed. I had my face rebuilt. It took 7 surgeries in almost 2 years. And I am forever grateful to my wonderful plastic surgeon who not only fixed my face, but put up with me for that long. And during that time, I did a bunch of research on this whole autoimmune disorder that I was told was lifelong and there is no cure. And I'm not going to go into the details, but what I learned is through the proper diet and exercise and meditation and discipline and hard work, I really could control my fate a lot more than I was being told. And that is what I have done. With my eye laser focused on traveling the world with Paul, I did it. It has been nearly 4 years. I have been off all medications and I feel healthier than I ever have. And so Paul retired 2 years ago. We set sail, just the two of us. We sailed halfway across the Pacific to Tahiti, and I'm telling you that is an experience you cannot even believe. I am so, so grateful to have had it. It is forever embedded in my brain and in my soul. And that wanderlust just lives in my soul. It just does. And thankfully, Paul is on the same page. This is a big, huge, amazing, crazy world we have to see. And you don't have to just see it. You've got to feel it, experience it, taste it, smell it, live it, breathe it. And with the love and support of Paul and my family, that is what we are doing. Because the truth is we only have so much time on this planet. And none of us knows when our time is up. I do not have my head buried in the sand. I know what having melanoma means. I know what Crohn's disease looks like. But I don't really think about it too much now. There's this saying, that which you fear you draw near. And I really believe that. So what we focus on is going out and traveling the world. And we're doing it while we still can. We've all heard the stories, the friends, the family, the Facebook acquaintances. They die too young. And it's usually right when they finally set out to live their dreams. Well, I'm not doing that. I'm not waiting. We are out there doing it. We are tasting it, feeling it, smelling it, experiencing it, absorbing it. And I hope you come along for the journey. But more than that, I hope you get out there and start your own journey. Don't wait. You really never know what is around the corner. Thank you for listening to my story, and thank you for joining me on The Freedom Strategy, because that's what this is all about. Freedom.